Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get consistent output from Claude AI every time. If you're using Claude AI and you want to get consistent output from Claude every time you use, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and now once you are in browser, the very first thing you have to give a role to your Claude AI. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to enter a simple prompt here to giving a rule. I'm gonna pasting it. You can see it is a role. You are an expert technical writer who always follows the instructions exactly. So the very first thing you just have to enter this role here, and I want to have to enter. You just have to wait for this until it's a reply or response. So in the beginning of the chat, once you have entered this prompt or you have given this role to your Claude AI, now you just have to enter your questions and your answer. So the very first thing you can specify your output format, or you can also do this later. So I'm gonna pasting it. So here you specify output format. So you might have to say that your output might be exactly summary, key points, risk, next step, or do not add any other section. So if you want to increase or decrease these bullets points, so you can also do that. Now here I have a simple and a basic example for this. I'm gonna pasting it here. Now you can see that I have to deliver a precise assistant, then follow these rules, then summary, key points, and the summary. So I'm gonna sending it. So you can change it relating to your questions or your answers. So once you have done, you might see a this type interface or this by specific output from your Claude AI. You can also change your output type if you want to. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.